Markets are buzzing again. Trade wars, oil volatility, and tech are setting the tone. We've highlighted 4 key stories of the week that are driving real market momentum. The Trump administration has launched a fresh round of trade conflicts against India, China, and Europe, nations that buy large volumes of Russian oil. High tariffs are now in place, with India facing even steeper duties soon. This could shake global oil prices and drive volatility up. The EU has frozen retaliatory tariffs on US goods worth 93 billion euros to ease tensions and continue trade talks. But duties on key sectors, especially autos, are far from resolved, and uncertainty lingers. Apple's secret team is building its own AI search to rival ChatGPT and Google. They plan to roll out the new system in Siri, Safari, and other Apple services. Hiring is ramping up, and AI innovation on Apple devices looks very promising. Weak US jobs data has sent the dollar sharply lower. DXY is down 9% YTD, the worst since 1991. Rate cuts are expected from the Fed as soon as September, odds above 80%. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any useful videos, and stay up to date with the latest events. With us, you'll become more successful in finance. You can also open a demo or real account using the link in the video description or in our profile bio. See you next time.